Exploring the Mind, A Journey Through Psychology. Basics. In the vast expanse of the human experience, few things are as complex and intriguing as the mind. Psychology, the scientific study of behavior and mental processes, seeks to unravel this mystery. From the ancient philosophers to modern scientists, the quest to understand the human mind has been ever present. Psychology bridges the gap between the intangible thoughts and the observable world. At its core, psychology explores how we perceive, think, feel, and act both as individuals and within groups. It's the canvas on which the human experience is painted in vivid emotional colors. Consider the mind as a labyrinth. Each turn represents different aspects of psychological study: cognitive, behavioral, emotional, and social pathways, each leading to deeper understanding. Cognitive psychology delves into the way we process information, solving the puzzle of how we think, learn, and remember. It's the study of the mind's architecture. Behavioral psychology, on the other hand, focuses on observable actions. It investigates how external factors shape behavior, offering a window into the complex dance between individual and environment. The realm of emotional psychology explores the vast seas of human feelings, understanding how and why we experience such a rich tapestry of emotions. Social psychology examines the influence of social interactions on our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. It highlights the profound impact of the societal mirror on the self. Every breakthrough in psychology not only advances our understanding of the mind, but also enhances our ability to address mental health challenges, improving lives across the globe. The application of psychology extends beyond academia, permeating areas like health, education, business, and sports, showcasing its versatility and importance. As we continue to explore the depths of the human mind, we invite you on this journey of discovery. Let us delve into the unknown together, unlocking the secrets of psychology. Join us in this endeavor to understand the essence of human behavior and thought. Explore further, question deeper, and contribute to the ever-expanding field of psychology. Your mind, the final frontier, awaits.